Welcome to the Super Gold 60 Key Chart Signals and Analysis. This is Morris. I want to begin tonight by looking at the metals, and we got a number of markets, a lot of action, and we'll get into all of that in this current update. So here is a look beginning with SIL. This is silver shares and a holding on a core position basis, but we've not stepped into a trading position basis, and we continue to wait. Now, silver is acting much better, and after the Fed rate hike of 75 basis points, silver has been one of the star performers in the post announcements on the rate hike. You can see volume coming in, but frankly, in this volatile market, we just continue to display patience. We're looking for a crossover, and this could be happening. I thought it would happen this week, and if we have upside market action, undoubtedly that's what we're going to see. It may take a couple days just for this to shake out, but notice the previous signal. This was the sell the silver shares all the way back at 34, and now we're under 24, and we have not yet quite got the buy. I anticipate that coming. Here is a look next on GDXJ. Again, a very similar story. The sell signal came at 46 on the trading side of the portfolio, and now here we are under 30. And frankly, this one is not as advanced as the previous chart. So as you look at this one, it's not performed, hasn't come up. So again, it's very similar situation. Looking for an entry, looking for to gain long position. I'm going to talk about our cash positions in the portfolio in just a moment, but you can see GDXJ not likely to get a buy quite as soon as the previous chart, the SIL. Next chart I wanted to highlight, and we warned about this one, and that is the Ethereum ETH. This is the grayscale. And now that this is broken, you've got a crossover on the 660 lines. Looks like we've set up for a bear flag, which could ultimately send this market lower. So it's certainly not a market to be playing in at the moment. The last chart I want to look at is one of our holdings, a very solid looking chart. This is ADM, Archer Daniel Midland. This is a commodity play, of course. Archer Daniel's a big food processor, and it's harvest season. This chart looks phenomenal. Pulls back a little bit, but frankly, the pullback is mild, and you notice the the right shoulder is potentially also a bull flag pattern. All of this is suggesting a strongly higher performance in the sector. ADM looks quite solid. Now, before we conclude the video, if you're watching the video as a guest and not a paid subscriber, not a part of the Super Gold 60 family, yet is opportunity, special offer this weekend with wild markets action after the Fed hike of 75 basis points. Our powerful cash levels of 50 to 70% in all of our portfolios is the winning play. We have some potentially very good candlesticks, which I will be reviewing this weekend on weekend updates in the Super Gold 60. Very important video that we do every weekend. And the offer this weekend is I have an incredible deal. In these crazy times, the Super Gold 60 newsletter, well, normally it sells for $229 for 12 months, and I'm offering it this weekend and this weekend only for 14 months for $199. To qualify, simply drop me an email. Do it early in the weekend, and we will get you login credentials that you will be in line to get and particularly in the volatile markets that we have now, to get in line for the weekend video update that come out normally Saturday afternoon or Sunday morning, depending. So that is the special offer. Drop us an email and get qualified to become a subscriber to the quality service. That's all for now. This is Morris with Super Gold 60 saying thank you.